The International Energy Agency chief said in an interview with Xinhua that China greatly contributes to reducing global carbon dioxide emissions by playing the important role of being the leader of clean energy technology globally. He made the remarks at the 27th session of the Conference of the Parties to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change being held in the Egyptian coastal city of Sharm el-Sheikh.
The world is going through a major energy crisis. Our world has never, ever witnessed an energy crisis of this depth and of this complexity. However, the International Energy Agency's analysis show that this year, global emissions will increase even less than 1%. And this is as a result of major growth in renewable energy technologies. And China is the leader globally in terms of clean energy technologies, both in terms of solar, in terms of wind, and in terms of the additional nuclear capacity. About 50%, half of the electric cars in the world come from China. So as such, the growth in clean energy technologies slow down the emissions growth this year. It is only a fraction of last year. And when we look at the future, we even see that the role of clean energy technologies will be greater. This solar, wind, electric cars, nuclear, hydrogen, and others. And China plays an important role here as well.